What's going on, PL family? Saturday morning here. The project is about to be in full effect. Yeah, on that back there. But anyway, you guys stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. I'm gonna be showing some brief information about my modification that I've been holding off for about a year. But you've seen it before, but you just haven't seen it on that car right there. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy it. Post your comment. I'm gonna definitely make sure that I leave all the information. So if you wanna do this in your garage, you definitely can. You're gonna have the website, the phone number, the company. It was made in the USA. So for that GM car that's made in the USA. So stay. Good morning, YouTube. I've been having this for about a year now, but I'm gonna go ahead and install my trunk cover that I got custom made for PL Luxury Reviews. I actually already started putting in the new bolts for the cover. This is a bolt that you don't supposed to take out that was told in the instructions, and this is the bolt in the clip. And you see this one is out, this one is out. That one I just put in. And these are the factory bolts that's still in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these. Yeah. I'm doing all of this with one hand and videotaping at the same time. So I can use one hand. Where's the hole at? Oh, okay, here it is. Get my Phillips screwdriver. All right, got that in there. Got another one to do. Doing this on an early Saturday morning. Still springtime. I still hear the birds in the background here. Another do-it-yourself modification to your C8 if you're at car shows and you want to display your YouTube channel like I'm going to be doing, or you may have a business and your C8 is like your personal car, but people really, still love this C8. This is a 2020 that I have, but as you all know, I have done a lot to this car to make it very, very unique. Let me get this over here. We got a couple more to go. I'm not gonna bore you all with this. This will be the last one that I show you that I'm doing. And then I'll be showing you all what this is gonna look like once it's done, that they made for my logo. I think that one may be a little crooked. Let me see. Yeah, that one's a little crooked. I'm about to do this one off camera so I can straighten it out. But stay tuned. But yeah, this is the actual trunk, as you all see, with the engine bay area. But the cover is gonna cover all of this here. And I like this this is what I'm taking the factory bolts out with. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Let me put this one in here. I don't have a filler bit for my power drill, but stay tuned and I'll show you what it looks like with my logo, PL Luxury Reviews. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this channel, and I hope that this little short video is interesting to you. Just something personal that I'm doing to my car. Stay tuned, guys. Bye. All right, PL family, I am back. I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing of my trunk cover. I'll go ahead and show you all real quick. All of the accessory screws have been put in. They're all in, and this is what it's gonna clip to. This is the factory screw. They say don't take that one out. So this is it here. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out. See what this looks like. You see a little bit of it, guys. Hope you like it. Doing all of this with one hand. So here it is. PL Luxury Reviews. I like it. It's pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and install it. All right, guys, I know I told you I was getting ready to install the trunk cover for the back, but as I'm noticing, what can I say? Doing it yourself, you notice that you have two more screws that you have to take out. This one and that one. I'll show it to you from the side, because once it straps in, it actually needs these two screws here. This one is gonna have to be changed. That one, I was wondering why I had extra screws. This one and that one. So stay tuned. All right, my PL family, let's go ahead and reveal my new trunk cover, PL Luxury Reviews. Pretty nice, pretty doggone nice. I say I must like it. This is gonna be a nice added little feature here at the car shows to hopefully get my subscribers up. And just like I need you all to go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button and support the channel, PL Luxury Reviews. All right, PL family, let's go ahead and break down what we're doing here. So these are gonna be the tools that's used for the modification. We have a Phillips screwdriver. We have a 2.5 millimeter hex. And all of this modification can be purchased through C8R Driver. This is their, let me see if I can get it. This is their website. This is the UR code. And as you all see, this was made in the US. So you all have seen the trunk lid before, and I actually have mine custom made to show my YouTube channel when I'm actually at a car show. The installation was pretty simple. As you all see, these were only two things I used. Phillips screwdriver, had a small one and a big one. 2.5 millimeter. And this is just a portable power drill. These were the screws that was in the package. Once again, this is the C8 trunk cover. You can find them on Instagram. This is their website. But if you're trying to promote your YouTube channel, promote your business, because a lot of people don't have YouTube channel, but they do have businesses and they do have this amazing car. And when you have that trunk lid open, it just really, shows nicely with this engine compartment here. And I just wanted to show you all this. This is the original color of this car. This is the ceramic matrix gray. I have PPF put on here, but the whole car is actually wrapped It was a 2-month process, as I told you all. It was done by a company here in Illinois called Big Stickers Design in Aurora, Illinois. Another mod that I did to the car, and it's gonna be another video, but this front windshield actually has a protecting film put on it, and I think I spoke about that in another video, and I'm gonna try to get the manufacturer who put it on, Chicago Auto Pros, to send me a video, because unfortunately I wasn't there when they did it, and they were really busy, and they had a lot of music playing, and I didn't want to get any copyrights. So hopefully they did my request and showed a before and after with this. That's my GoPro camera right there. But when you look at this, it's not hard. There's really no glare. Once you're driving, you can barely tell that that's on there. I'm going to a Cars and Coffee on Sunday at Chicago Auto Pro, so you all will see that video. So I went ahead and cleaned her up a little bit today. Got the tires shiny, wiped her down. And this bra, I like it because it's a high gloss. And I love to have my car shiny. But I did ceramic coat it. And that is another reason why it's shining too. Yeah, this looks nice. That carbon fiber lip with a little dust on there. Oh, that was just a reflection. It's so doggone clean. Wow. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I showed as much as I could with the installation with one hand. I'm still new to the channel, and I really appreciate all of you all comments and everything, and hopefully you can have an opportunity to get you one of these. The quality is really nice too. It's really nice. Yeah, they did it nice. I'm gonna go ahead and take it up here. Yeah, it's a lot of them in here. The engine is not on, so I can just put this over there in the engine compartment. So now, this is what it looks like when it's out. But once again, these are the screws, clamps. Thank you all for watching PL Luxury Reviews. All right, PL family. Yes, that's my recreation of the C8R.